Hello, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we turn spaces into dreams. Specifically, we'll be exploring beautiful fireplace designs to add that extra touch of coziness and style to your space. Let the warmth begin. 1. The classic elegance of traditional fireplaces. To kick things off, let's explore the timeless charm of traditional fireplaces. Fabric hearth fireplace is a classic choice, bringing rustic warmth to your living room. The exposed brick not only adds character but also absorbs and radiates heat, making it both beautiful and functional. For an elegant touch, consider the marble mantelpiece fireplace. 2. Modern marbles in fireplace design. Now, let's step into the contemporary realm with modern marbles in fireplace design. The linear gas fireplace is a sleek and minimalist choice, perfect for those who crave clean lines and a sophisticated aesthetic. It's easy to install and offers a stunning view of the dancing flames. For a statement piece, the double-sided fireplace is a showstopper. 3. Effortless electric fireplaces. Now, let's talk about the convenience and charm of electric fireplaces. The wall-mounted electric fireplace is a space-saving solution that adds a contemporary vibe to your living room. With customizable flame settings and heat options, it's both practical and visually stunning. And for those who want versatility, the electric fireplace TV stand combines the warmth of a fireplace with the functionality of a TV stand. 4. DIY fireplace decor tips. Let's add a personal touch with some DIY fireplace decor tips. Consider placing a collection of candles in your fireplace during the warmer months. It creates a charming display and maintains that cozy ambience year-round. And there you have it, a detailed and easy guide to beautiful fireplace designs for your living room.